Right, today we're gonna bring a toy for your dog, and this is where you hide treats, right? You have two sections. You could hide it from here and on the other side too. And then you got multiple sections here, which these are the actual ribbons where you actually roll up. And these are pretty good for dogs. You know, it's to keep them motivated and, you know, keep them on entertained, because they get bored easily. So you can just put in a treat here, if you guys can see that, and then you roll it down. You just roll it back to how it was, complete like a little taquito. If you guys can see that, rolling it until you tuck it in. So we're gonna continue to roll here, and as much as you can. All right, his job, or she, what kind of dog you have, is to try to untangle this and take it out. And to make it harder, you could stuff it more stuff in here, so you can stuff it with more if you guys want, and it's gonna be hours of entertainment for them. So let's put it to the test and see how it works. After they're done playing with the treats, look at this. Check this out, guys. Look at this. Go get it! Good boy. Look at this. It's rough and tough.